Hello student, let's start the exercise 4.1. Chapter name is Practical Geometry. Here we are going to discuss how to construct the quadrilateral if some information are given. Then constructing a quadrilateral when the lengths of four sides and a diagonal are given. Then how to construct the quadrilateral. To construct the quadrilateral we need at least five information. So here 4 sides and 1 diagonal. 4 plus 1 5. 5 information are given. Then how to construct a quadrilateral. Here construct a quadrilateral ABCD. Here AB equal to 4.5 cm, BC equal to 5.5 cm, CD 4 cm, AD 6 cm and AC 7 cm. Using this information, first draw a rough sketch. It's help you to construct the quadrilateral. Here we take ACH base. So AC, first take a straight line AC of 7 cm. Then take C as center, make an arc of 5.5 cm to the upward direction and take H as center. Since AB is 4.5 cm, so take A as center, make an arc of 4.5 cm which is caught previously arc drawn. So we get a intersecting point. That point is called B. Next take A as center to the downward direction. Make an arc of 6 cm. Make an arc which length is 6 cm. And take C as center. Make an arc of 4 cm. Sorry, this length is 4 cm. And the intersecting point is we get D. So join all the points BC, CD, AD and AB. We got a quadrilateral ABCD. Then leveling all the side. One thing keep it in your mind, then when you construct the quadrilateral, naming part is most important. Name the quadrilateral either clockwise or anti-clockwise. Hence ABCD is a required quadrilateral here. Here are the steps of construction. You have to write both steps of construction and the construction part on your homework copy. Next is quadrilateral JUMP, where JU 3.5 cm, UM 4 cm, MP 5, PJ 4.5, MPU 6.5. Using this information, first draw a rough sketch. Here taking JUH base 3.5 cm. So using this rough sketch, first draw a straight line JU of 3.5 cm. Take J as center, make an arc of 4.5 cm. Take U as center and make an arc of 6.5 cm. The intersecting point we get P. Then join PU and PJ. Then leveling, then 4.5 cm and 6.5 cm. Now take U as center, make an arc of 4 cm and take P as center, as PM is 5 cm. So take P as center, make an arc of 5 cm which is caught previously arc, previously drawn arcs, then join the intersecting point, and that point is called M. Leveling all the sides. Hence, JUMP is a required quadrilateral. Here is the steps of construction. Next, third number, parallelogram MORE, where OR 6 cm, R is 4.5 cm, EO 7.5. EO is your diagonals, and we know the opposite sides of parallelogram are of equal length. Here we apply the properties of parallelogram. Take OR as base, so OR, a straight line, 6 cm. Then take R as center, make an arc of 4.5 cm, and take O as center, cut an arc of 7.5 cm. Then we get a point E, then join RE and OE. Leveling them 4.5 cm and 7.5 cm. Take O as center, make an arc of 4.5 cm, and take E as center, make an arc of 6 cm. Then we get the point M, join all the lines and leveling all the sides. Hence here we get a parallelogram, hence MORE is a required parallelogram. Here is the steps to construct the parallelogram MORE. Next is rhombus BEST, BE 4.5 cm and ET 6 cm. We know that opposites, all sides of rhombus are same. Here, using rough sketch, first draw a straight line BE of 4.5 cm, then B as center, cut an arc of 4.5 cm, and E as center, cut an arc of 6 cm. We get the point E. Then join BT and ET. Take E as center, make an arc of 4.5 cm, and T as center, make an arc of 4.5 cm. Then join all the lines and we get point S, leveling all the sides. Hence BEST is a required rhombus. Here all sides of rhombus are same. Here is the steps to construct the rhombus. So that's all for today. Thank you.